So this wig has that pull and go application, so all you do is put it on, you take the drawstring and you pull until the fit is where you want it to be, and then you just adjust the cap around your ears. And as you can see, it's very easy to install. You don't have to have a perfect glue application, and of course it's very secure. So with this wig, you also get that pre-plucked hairline. It looks very good around the hairline, so you don't need to do anything to it. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this beautiful wig from Nadula Hair, one of their bye-bye knot yaki texture. I know how you all feel too when it comes to color, when it comes to just wanting your colors. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. I'm pretty sure they have other colors on their website. Get into today's video. All links will be below in the description box, and be sure to follow me over on Instagram. Let's get into this wig from Nadula Hair. This is what the packaging looks like when you get your packaging, which is really great for storage, of course. So in your box, you get the wig, and you also get accessories to style your wig. This wig today is their 7x5 lace elastic drawstring wig. Let's take a look at what it looks like out the box. This is their pre-everything wig. It is a 7x5. It also has an option to get it in a 5x5 closure. Mine is the 7x5. It comes with everything done to it. You do not need to bleach the knots because this is their bye-bye knots. You do not need to pluck the hairline because it comes pre-plucked. And they also took the time to cut the lace for you, so you don't need to do that. Out the box, it looks amazing. So this is what the cap construction look like. You get a lot of parting here, so you can do a middle part or a side part, as you'll see in today's video. It comes with combs and adjustable straps. But the great thing about this wig is it also comes with a drawstring, which is very popular right now, and I love because it really gives a secure hold, and you can get extra pull, which can tighten the cap if you have a smaller head. The lace is very blendable. As you can see, it blends very well without being visible, and you can wear this wig glueless, of course. You do not need to glue it down. Here is the details of the packaging. As far as the hair texture, it is a yaki texture, Brazilian hair, and it's super soft straight out the box. I don't need to really wash it or anything because it's already clean and ready to go. This is what the texture looks like close up. So this wig has that pull and go application, so all you do is put it on, you take the drawstring and you pull until the fit is where you want it to be, and then you just adjust the cap around your ears. And as you can see, it's very easy to install. You don't have to have a perfect glue application, and of course it's very secure. So with this wig, you also get that pre-plucked hairline. It looks very good around the hairline, so you don't need to do anything to it. I love also that I can run my comb through it, but of course I will tell you guys to always use an unbrush instead of using a fine tooth comb like that. And the density of the hair is about 180%. You can also get it in 150 if you want to, but this looks really good. So as you can see, it comes with a middle parting, but because this is a 7x5, you can switch the parting over to a side parting. You can do whatever you really want. The parting is so deep on here, and you can go all the way to the side if you want to. You can create different styles, all type of things with this wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a simple side part and switch it up a little bit. With this hair, a hot comb is your best friend at laying those roots down so that you can get a really flat install, especially if you have a huge density. You want the top to lay down very flat, and as you can see, it was easy to get it to lay flat. Yes, you can curl this hair also. We're going to do that in a second. The main question I get is, can this hair hold a curl because of the texture? As you can see, it does curl very well. I never have a problem with it curling, but if I want a long-term hold, I normally take a wand curler, put it to the highest setting, and curl the hair. Of course, you can always use flexi rods, and you can also use holding sprays to further assist with getting the curls to hold. With this texture, as you can see, it does curl very well. And like I told y'all, the hair is tangle free. It hasn't tangled on me at all. It looks really good. It's very soft. I will be sure to put some discount codes and a link to this wig below in the description box for you guys. Oh, and before I forget to mention, this wig is a 24-inch, and they also have limbs 14 all the way up to 26 inches. Okay, so once I finish curling the hair, I'm just going to add a bit of my holding spray to the areas that I curled. And as you can see, it looks really good. I do like the side part more than I like the middle part. But like I said, with the 7x5, you can definitely switch it up however you want to. But this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. The links will be below in the description box for you guys, along with discount codes. Happy holidays to you guys. I hope you enjoy your holiday. Have a really great week, and I will see you back in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.
Nadula.